We are passionate about telling stories through digital arts. At Academy, we drive and motivate them with our experience of straying from conventional lines and breaking stereotypes. In our path, we find dreamers, and behind each one, we discover an artist, a different universe, and a life full of dreams. We get our students to develop the skills and practices required in the field, so we can have a global impact that promotes the entertainment industry in Colombia and Latin America. We will continue to grow as a community.
Learning and unlearning to relearn.
Consolidate our strengths and turning our weaknesses in opportunities to improve.
Today, our dream is a reality.
By PolygonUs.